Y'omugavana amona ba MCA be County Assembly amona bakorera bande be County Assembly ya Kisii ritkolera oni gobomirana asinge nchokora masabo eri gusabira county amona bamenyi be County ya Kisii lakini kurende asetkolera rero akira mugavana Arati na kwanira mungana abiratatu ekero awaringe gukwana yende taganya tabanga orbotu robene orwange guchungusa abakori gasi gosubenga kora uburingori b'abakori gasi me County ya Kisii ritkolera mambya naryo anene orbotu ruchikosokiwa erichikwenekenga anene abakori gasi be County ya Kisii osemba mbobatu kumuchikondi wansi nande tukende ekito osoka ritko seri akontkulera rero kirate banga muna nare ange kuchikwalika ni mu president gatano bwense ya Kenya musikiwera musomwe Ruto asinge ncho yetaro yaye yochokorera abantu ari mu makarite chikura abato mu makarite chikura koleta mugandero ase county ya Kisii asa nene mona tebunga nare kigima wochikwalika nia aba kwalika ni president gatano gocha rongora gusi nane mbono natebera buna gochikwalika ni mu president gochikwalika ni muraiwe kemakia ODM musikerera mu Odinga ase wikiga agwo siatekeringa esiakagere tkorigoro muskerera mu Odinga atekeri wocha ase county ya Kisii ekikorende agachenche sabari yawe gari tkoria ichuma wikiga agwo asate buna nari cyari kubarika ni abarayi bonsi rwategete wocha ase county ya Kisii eryo koreta amagendero usikore chingono cyabo wocha ase county ga.
The report for the staff audit I commissioned earlier will be out, and I want to say this, it will be out probably and be ready tomorrow at the study. We will be able to be informed what our account is made of, what instruments, how it's wired. I will welcome you again tomorrow as from 11 to join with us in this time. The pending bills committee is also finalizing the report, and by the end of this month, the days to come, I know our leaders, they are going to come to our council. The president is planning for a visit in this country. I want to say we will welcome the president. He's the president of this country. For those ones who voted for him, for those ones who didn't vote for him, he has to impress every person. As well, we impress for those ones who voted for us and for those ones who didn't vote for us. Therefore, in the near future, the president will be visiting with us. There are many things that we are pursuing. One of the things that Professor spoke of here is a $500 billion project. But I know there is negotiations. And next week, probably I'll be meeting again the president over it to see how best to go about it. I know there are forces, I want to indicate earlier, that there are forces who want to delay the process. But we're saying, I'm happy that the president is keen on the universal health care. Again, this week, the leader of Azimio, Mheshimiwa Raila Amolo Odinga, will be in Kisii. And I'm saying we are welcoming him to come. Meet his people. There's a joke I don't want to make here when I spoke with the president. I don't want to make it here because it was between me and him. But I want to say we welcome all leaders. They come engage the people who voted for them and for those who didn't vote for them. Therefore, I'm urging leaders who will be there, these leaders when they come around, like other many places they have gone, let us impress them. These are our leaders. Kwa hivyo tuwakubalie waingie, wafanye kazi yao, waondoke, sisi tuendelee na maendeleo. Hakuna siasa sasa. I want to, somebody spoke of city, that was first you talked about Mheshimiwa Mwenyenye.
Na wakirimbia mwana sencho kwa usanga amana interview TV ya kisi Hot TV koruga iga ase amagacho aye county ya kisi nche nkoro kwa Ruto Dennis na mwancho na ngari ko kuri kontu